Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Tung 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 Sahur from Italian Brainrot. So first we're going to get started with the shape of the body. So towards the top of our page, we're going to draw in a slight curved line, bringing that over towards the right. And now from here on both sides, we're going to bring this line straight down towards the bottom, creating a nice big rectangle. And we're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Now we have a guideline of where to end our line. We're just going to end it at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, again, we're going to close this off with a slight curved line, bringing this all the way up and over on the right. Now let's draw in our eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle. And now we're going to leave a small gap in the center coming over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now over towards the corner, again, we're going to draw in another circle from that corner, just replicating that. And we'll do the same on our left eye. Now on the top right-hand corner on our right eye, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we'll do the same on the top left-hand corner of our left eye. And then now right in the middle for the pupil, we're going to start on the top, just curving this line around and then in on the bottom. Now let's close off the eyebrow. So on the right hand side, on a diagonal, we're going to bring this line over, around, and then back in. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing this all the way around and then up on the right. For the mouth now, on both sides, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to close this off on the top with a small curved line. Now on the bottom, we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back up on the right. And then for the teeth on the top, we're just going to draw in a curved line, closing that off. Let's draw on our left hand holding in the bat now. So we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. We're going to do the same on the bottom, ending that at the same distance. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around, back in. For the first finger, arching this line around and then down. We'll do the same in the middle. And then again, one last time as we move down underneath. And then now from here to close off the hand, curving this line around and then in. Now on the bottom, let's bring this line out, over, in, and then back up. We're going to continue this line coming up now. So we're going to get wider as we come out towards the top, bringing this around and then back in. And then starting back on this line, bringing this out, in, and then back down towards the top of the hand. Let's draw on our right arm now. So on the top, bringing this line down, stepping further in, let's replicate that. Now for the thumb, arching this line in. Above that, curving this down. For the first finger, curving this around and then back up. Let's step across, curving that up. And then one last time, closing that off, bringing that line in towards the wrist. Now let's draw on our feet. So as we come in towards the middle, stepping over on the side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. We'll do the same on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Now to close off the feet on the bottom, just curving this line out and then in. And then as we come up for the top of the leg, just curving that line in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Tung 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 Sahur from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.